I'd like to share with you my poem Manifesto for Humanity, which I wrote while writing People and Permaculture, and I interviewed lots of people and did workshops, and this was the vision for humanity that we all shared and want to work towards manifesting. We have slowed down, woken up, come into our power. Our hearts are filled with joy each morning. We exist in a state of wholeness. We see our place in the whole. We know life is sacred. Every space is sacred. We feel the heartbeats of our fellow beings. The animals and plants are brothers and sisters. We're thinking and acting like a global family. We take pride in our earth home, the shining jewel that breathes beneath us. Pride in how we leave it for future generations, positively impacting on ecosystems. We have found our hearts and learn we are connected to all life, our spiritual connection woven into the fabric of our lives. We have full understanding of love. We appreciate what it means to be ecological beings on an ecological planet. We celebrate an earth culture. We know who we truly are and what we are truly capable of. We recognise our own and one another's brilliance. Everyone retains their capacity to smile and laugh. We follow our dreams, whatever they may be. Lives where we enjoy the creativity of being human, time to be and reflect. We are content. We sing our voices of majesty. We have learned to negotiate, communicating our needs and respecting others. We value different ways of working. We have freedom to grow, honouring each other's contribution, allowing people to be without judgment. Living together in health and happiness, greater simplicity of life with strong social bonds. Nothing and no one outside of society. Abundant creative expression, time for art, music and dancing for all. Farmer, poets, gardener, philosophers. Communities that share, care and connect. More wisdom, more integrity. More communication, less fighting. More music, more singing, more dancing, more harmony. More colour, more beauty, more thinking, less rashness. More space for each being to fully become themselves. Weaving abundance into our lives of balance. Diversity and freedom are the roots of our society, freedom of thought and action. Our leaders fully representative of all our glorious diversity. Honesty and openness from government and management, decisions made with consultation and listening. Our leaders are full spectrum conscious and heart-based. A sophisticated approach to social action. The quietest voices are heard. Every child has access to education, following their interests and talents, learning made easy at their own pace, in their own style. Meditation and yoga in schools, all taught how to lead, all taught to reflect, to know why we do things and the effects of our actions. Children brought up by the whole community. Everyone is teacher and student throughout life. Always growing, always learning. Respect, honour and learning from our elders. Conscious parenting supported. Education brings children to a place of their own wisdom and sense of being. Cultures diversify and find their own solutions, following their own hearts. Human culture to flourish for many, safety for all. Everyone has access to clean water, food and shelter. Every voice is welcomed. Ever decreasing inequality, ever increasing biodiversity. The masculine and feminine imbalance, an emergent global consciousness of connection and responsibility. Diverse expression of heart-centered spirituality. Our journey to this place has been nourishing and rewarding, a smooth energy descent transition. We regained the value of non-material things. We ended persecution for beliefs. We stopped the violence towards each other, the earth and ourselves. We evolved to a reawakening of spirit. We're already here at certain times, certain moments, certain communities, a permanent culture around the corner. Now enough people paying into the consciousness of goodwill and hope to create the great turning, where war, murder, rape, vandalism, theft are shed like a snake's skin, becoming stories of the past. We used our knowledge and wisdom to create healthy changes for all, the evolution of happiness bringing benefit after benefit. In times of crisis, we were resourceful. With trust and good connections, we weathered the storms. This is the path of heart. This is the path of abundance. This is your call to action. This is the dream to follow. For our children and grandchildren, for the great forests and deep oceans, for Mother Earth and life itself. This is the vision. This is the hope. This is the direction we face. Peace, real peace, sustained peace. So that is my and many others' manifesto for humanity, the vision we want to create, and there's tools in this book and in my other books to help us get there. And I sincerely believe that if enough of us engage our creativity and our resourcefulness, that we can co-create that world for ourselves and for future generations. Thank you for listening.